So the housing market is always shifting, and one factor that's quietly influencing prices, mortgage rates, and affordability right now is tariffs. So with trade policies impacting everything from construction costs to economic stability, it's important to understand how these changes could affect your decision to buy or sell a home. I'm Gailey Coorings. I'm a real estate expert here in Northern Virginia in the DMV area, and today I'm going to break down how tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico are shaping home prices, mortgage rates, and construction costs, and why now might be the best time for you to make a move. Let me start by saying that no one knows exactly where these tariff policies will end up. Trade decisions shift constantly, and their impact on the economy is never clear-cut. So what I'm sharing here is my perspective as a real estate professional and what I'm seeing in the market, and why I believe now may be a good time to make a move if you've been thinking about buying or selling. Tariffs might seem like something that only affects big businesses and global trade. They may not be something you really understand and want to tune into, but they actually have a direct impact on housing. So 3 reasons. Number 1, higher construction costs. Many of the materials used to build homes, like lumber, steel, and aluminum, come from Canada, China, and Mexico. When tariffs increase, the cost of the materials increase, builders pass that along. It means higher prices for new homes and even for your renovations. Number 2, mortgage rate uncertainty. Trade tensions create economic instability. When that happens, the Fed may adjust interest rates to keep things balanced. It's just a lot of instability and chaos and uncertainty. Right now, mortgage rates are historically pretty low, but disruptions can push them higher or keep them from going lower. Lastly, affordability. Most businesses face higher costs due to tariffs, then they will pass those along to consumers. This includes things like home improvement materials, furniture, and even appliances, making home ownership more expensive over time. So why might now be a smart time to buy or sell? Why not, right? If you've been sitting on the fence about buying or selling, here's why it might make sense to act now. For sellers, less competition. Many sellers are holding off due to the uncertainty, which means fewer homes on the market. We already know that we don't have enough homes on the market. That gives you a better chance of standing out. Strong home values, despite these concerns about the economy, right now home prices are holding steady and in many cases still rising. Selling now lets you take advantage of that equity you've built before any potential shifts. We just don't know what's going to happen. Also, motivated buyers are eager to lock in a good mortgage rate now, demand for your home or in the spring market. And market uncertainty. No one can predict how long conditions will stay in your favor. Selling now puts you in control and ahead of unpredictable economic changes. What about buyers? So buying now is going to help you avoid rising costs. New home prices and renovation costs are increasing. That trend is not likely to stop. So buying now could help you lock in a price before costs climb higher. The mortgage rates are what they are. I encourage you to focus on affordability, not the rate. If you can afford to buy, it's a good time to buy. Lock your housing payment in, and you have more negotiation power. Also, sellers are looking to move quickly rather than stay in an uncertain market. So that may create opportunities for you as a buyer. And of course, long-term investment strategy. It's time in the market. The sooner you start building equity, the better off you are. So my final thoughts are trade policies and tariffs are big picture issues. They have real world effects on home prices, interest rates, and affordability. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Northern Virginia or the DMV area, you really want to maximize value and minimize risk. Every situation is unique to your personal and financial goals. I'd love to have a conversation with you to figure out what the best strategy is in today's market for you. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, feel free to give me a buzz. Reach out. All my information is on the channel, and I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. All right, take care, and let's hope for some certainty coming soon.